Michelle and I'm your sugar makeup expert for today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create 3 different makeup looks using 3 bold and bright lip colors. So let's begin. I have already applied my base off camera, so let's get right into the video. For the first look, I'm going to be applying a lot of blush on my cheeks, a little bit of tight lining in the eye and a bright lipstick. So let's get started. I am using the blush from the Contour de Force Face palette in the shade 01 Subtle Summit. Don't be afraid to apply a lot of blush on your cheeks which match your lips. I'm now going to be tight lining my eyes using the Twist and Shout FADEPROOF KAJAL in the shade 01 Black Velvet. Don't be afraid if your application is uneven because we are going to smudge it anyways. To complete this look, I'm going to be using the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade 07 Rethink Pink. This is a warm red fuchsia shade which is a combination of bright and bold. With this, we have completed the first look. Let's move on to the next. For look number 2, I'm going to be using only matte eyeshadows on my eyes, and keeping the face makeup minimal, I'm going to be adding a liquid lipstick. For my eyes, I'm going to be using the Blend the Rules eyeshadow palette in the shade 01 Vogue. I'm going to be using deep plum shade all over my eyelids for a wash of color. I am now using the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade 24 Vivid Orchid. This is a bright bold hue of violet which you can rock like a boss. For my third look, I'm going to amp up my eyes using an eyeliner and of course a bright lipstick. For my eyeliner, I will be using Arrested for Overstay waterproof eyeliner in the shade 01 I'll Be Black. Finally, to finish this look, I will be applying Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick in the shade 06 Tangerine Queen. This is a bright orange coral shade which is unapologetically bold. With this, we have completed all 3 looks. Let us know in the comments below which was your favorite look. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sugar Cosmetics YouTube channel for more fun videos. Bye!